Hello, Bashar. You said the definition of abundance is the ability to do what I need when I need. So it's not about what I want, but what I need. Could you please clarify these two terms? Because I can imagine I know what I want, but I don't know what I need. And also, if I know what I need, it doesn't necessarily mean that it's supposed to be comfortable. So where is the place for joy? How the excitement and passion is related to this? Could you please clarify that? Thank you.
Well, first of all, we make the differentiation between what you want and what you need, because sometimes what you want can be an ego structure, desire, that isn't necessarily aligned with what you truly need in life, for your joy, for your comfort. And you must watch your definitions, because when you say that what you need might not give you joy, that's a contradiction in the true definition of what you need. Because if you get what you need, it will always be comforting and always give you joy, because you will feel fulfilled by getting what you truly need. Whereas asking for what you want and receiving what you want will not always allow you to feel joy and happiness, because what you want, again, might be coming from a negative place in the ego that may or may not be really aligned with the idea of what you truly need that will give you fulfillment. So the idea is the 7 basic needs in life, as we have said, for physical thriving are that you need air, you need water, you need sleep, you need food, you need the idea of some form of shelter or pleasant environment that is life-supporting. You need the idea of connection or relationship to something, whether it's another human or not is not the point. And you need the idea of self-expression, your creative expression, in other words, that which dovetails into following your passion. If you are fulfilled in getting the air, the food, the water, the sleep, the idea of shelter, the idea of connection, the idea of expression of your true self, you will be fulfilled, and that will give you joy. What you want can sometimes coincide with what you need, and that's fine if it does. But the idea is to have a definition of attracting what you need, which are simple, basic things that everyone needs to thrive in physical reality, and those things will always make you feel fulfilled. So that is the basic difference, is to allow yourself to want what you need, and you will always be fulfilled.